Hello, you are welcome to my channel. It's a new day in this channel and a time for a new series. I thank you so much for being in here now. You know, we have been on fraction series for a long while now, and we have come to the end of the fraction series. We are going to enter into a new series from this moment. So today I'm going to do some brain exercise. I thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, especially throughout the fraction series. I'm very grateful. So today, as we want to do some brain exercise, let's get into class. So today we are going to 2 and 3 digit numbers in an easy way. In case you are in a quiz competition, somebody asks you 16 times 44 on a second, you just give the answer. That's what we are going to get into now as we give ourselves our brain exercise. So let's go. There are movements I will make. I want to draw the movement first so that as I'm making the movement, so you understand what I'm doing. The first movement I will make is from up to down is multiplication. Then I do this way and that way. Multiplication and addition, and this way, multiplication. This is what I'm going to move now as we use it now. So watch me now. So I'm going to say this 6 times this 4, that will give me 24. Good. I'll take 4. Then I'll do this one. 6 times 4. This 6 times this 4 plus this 1 times this 4. Good. So I say 6 times 4 will give me 24 plus 4. 24 plus 4 will give me 28. 28. Then 28, remember this 2. That will give me 30. Good. That will give me 30. I pick 0 and 3 is still there. Then I do the last one. 1 times 4. That is this 1 times this 4. That will give me 4. 4 plus this 3. That will give me what? 7. So I come here and write 7. And the answer is 704. The answer is what? 704. 16 times 44 will give me 704. You know, you can just look at it and do it mentally without handling your biro. Can you do that? You can. Thank you very much. Another example is 72 times 21. Let's get to class. 72 times 21. The same way we go. We go this way, and we end up this way. 2 times 1 will give me 2. Can you see that? We have 2. 7 times 1 plus 2 times 2. Can you see that? 7 times 1 will give me 7. 2 times 2 will give me 4. And 7 plus 4 is going to give me 11. Then we take one and leave the other one. And the next one is 7 times 2, which is 14. This 14 plus that one that remain, that will give us what? 15. That will give us 15. So we have 1, 5. So the answer to 72 times 21 is 1512. Check the calculator. Let's practice one more 2-digit number. At the end of the lesson, I'll give you more work to practice at home. Okay, 88 times 19. We start this way, and this way. Okay, so let's start again. 8 times 9 will give you 72. Yes, 72 you write 2, and the next one is what? 8 times 9 plus 8 times 1. Good. 8 times 9 plus 8 times 9. 8 times 9 is 72 plus 8 times 1 is 8. So 72 plus 8 will give you what? 80. Will give you 80. This 80 plus the 7 that remain up, that will give you what? Plus 7, excuse me. Okay. plus 7 will give you what? 87. And when you get that 87, you write 7, remaining 8. Okay? Good. Now the last one is 8 times 1. That will give you what? 8. 8 plus this 8 will give you what? 16. So you come here and write 16. So what is our answer? 1672. Let's get to the calculator. You see it? Correct? Thank you very much. Let's get to our second section, which is 3 digits to 3 digit multiplication in a quick way. So we're going to look into it. This time around, look at the move we're going to make. The move here is a little bit complex because it's 3 digits. So we have to make this first move. Then the second move is this way. The third move is longer. And the fourth move is this way. And the last move is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves we are going to make. So let us start. The first move is 3 times 1. 3. 3 times 1. That will give us what? 3. I write 3 here. Okay? I write 3 here. Then, the next one is 3 times 2 plus 5 times 1. Yes. 3 times 2, 6. 5 times 1, 5. That will give us what? 11. Okay? And we write 1. We write 1. When we write 1, the other one is still there. Then the next one we are going to do is this 3 times this 3. This 3 times this 3. This 3 times 3. Plus this 2 times this 1. Plus 2 times 1. Plus this 5 times this 2. Plus this 5 times 2. Okay. 3 times 3 will give us 9. 2 times 1 will give us 2. And 5 times 2 will give us 10. Okay. And we add up all of them. When we add them up, we're going to get 21. We're going to get 21. Remember, there's 1 remaining here. So that 1 remaining there, we're going to add it to 21. And it becomes 22. And we pick the 2 and put up. We pick the 2 and put up. And this time around, we say 5 times 3. 5 times 3 plus 2 times 2. Plus 2 times 2. Good. 5 times 3 is what? 15. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So, 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 will give us 19. Remember, there is 2 remaining up there. So, we say 19 plus 2 will give us 21. Yes. Will give us what? 21. And when it gives us 21, we're going to write 1. We're going to write 1. Then the last one is 2 times 3. That will give us 6. You see, this 6 plus these 2 that remain, that will give us 8. That will give us what? 8. And that is the answer. Can we take a look at the calculator and see whether it is correct? It's correct. Okay. Let's take more example. The next example on 3 digits number multiplying. Quick. So, as I told you before, I show you the move again. There's a move here, and the little move, and the longer move, and the shorter move, and the final move. 5 moves. So let's go and see how it happens in the numbers. So we say 2 times 1 will give us 2. Good. Then 2 times 4 plus 3 times 1. 2 times 4 will give us 8. 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. And when you add them up, 8 plus 3 will give us 11. And we take 1. 1 is still there. So another move we're going to make is 2 times 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 3 times 4. Okay, 2 times 2 will give us 4. 1 times 1 will give us 1. 3 times 4 will give us 12. We add them up. 12 plus 1 will give us 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 will give us 17. So we have 17 here. When we have 17 here, remember there is a 1 there. This 1 there we are going to add it to the 17, and that will give us what? 18. And that would make me take 8. 1 is still there. Then let's make another move. The next move is what? 3 times 2 plus 4 times 1. Yes. 3 times 2 will give us 6. 4 times 1 will give us 4. When you add it, we have 10. So 10 plus that one that remains. That one that remains there. We're going to pick it. And when we add it to this 10, we have 11. And we take 1. 1 is still there. The final one is what? 1 times 2. And 1 times 2 is 2. Then this 2 plus this 1 will give us 3. And 3 is the final number. Let's check the calculator. Check the calculator and see it is correct. So when we look at this thing now, it's a quick way to get your multiplication. If you practice it time with time with time with time, you see yourself calculating it in your head very fast. But that is not showing work. If you want to show work, especially now you are going for your standard 6 examination and they tell you show work, you say, let's say I taught you how to do quick. You have to show your work the way to show work. I taught you how to show work in log multiplication in my fraction series very well. So you go back and revise it and know how to show work in log multiplication. But for this one, quick multiplication, fast, you get your answer. Especially when you're solving maths that does not ask you to show long multiplication. And you see, okay, this time, you just quickly give them the answer and continue your work and give them the answer very fast before they tell you, pass your book. Did you like it? It's great. So thank you very much for subscribing, liking, and sharing my video. I'm very grateful. It's a great support. It makes me to be on, and it encouraged me a lot. But I want you to write something on my comment section. Hit the notification bell to know when I come every time. I want to see your comments on my comment section. Tell me what you don't understand. And I want to see that topic you don't know very well. And I'll let you know very well. We move on our mathematics proficiency. You must excel. Bye-bye.